The People's Plumber looks for someone that's got the same skills as what he did when he was a kid, you know, and I see that all in CJ. He's going to be the next kid on the street that's going to have the skills, well, the magical skills, you know, being able to turn something from dust into a piece of art.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to finally start with the boys here at Shark Plumbing. Oh, it's a dream working with these boys, especially People's Plumber over here. Makes the job fun.
Yes, CJ, welcome to the team.
Thank you.
Just to get you started.
Something fun about plumbing, a whole lot. I mean, digging every day, so
Getting
fun.
covered in it, that's the best. And that's what you look forward to.
All the nitty and gritty stuff.
Well, to be honest, I think they've got the skills already. They're learning it in the classroom before they come out on the field. So when they come out on the field, they know what they're doing. We're ready to be the next sensation at Sharks.